Hi, today I'll be answering a question that has been asked by many of you, and that is regarding the percentages, the 4% and 6% tapers of the file systems that we use in endodontics. So, these percentages, that is 4% and 6%, what they denote is they denote or they represent increase in diameter of the file in cross section. For example, if you are using a 4% file system, that means with every 1 millimeter of the file, if you advance 1 millimeter of your file, with every increase in 1 millimeter of your file system, your file diameter will increase by 4%. That means 4 divided by 100th of a millimeter, that is 0.04 mm of a millimeter. So that means if you are using a 6%, for example, file system, so with every 1 millimeter of the file, your diameter will now increase to 0.06 mm with every 1 mm of the file. So how that what that represents while we are doing the treatment is, if you are using a 6% file taper, so for example you are using a 25 number 6% file taper. So the tip diameter of a 25 number file or a red colored file will be 0.25 millimeters. Now if this is a 6% file system, for example, the file at every increase in 1 millimeter from the apex, it will increase the diameter of the file by 0.06 millimeters. So that means a lot of dentine will be cut with a 6% file system in comparison to a 4% file system. That means if you are using these file systems, these endofile systems in very narrow roots, the 6% file system will have a greater chances of strip perforation of the root system, while a 4% system will be safer in comparison to the 6% file tapers. Now, why do we increase the canal diameter is we want our irrigants to reach the apical area of the canal system. This is why we use the rotary systems with these various tapers. So if we want our irrigant to reach the apex, even with the 4%, 25 or 30 number file system, your side vented needles nowadays are very thin. Very fine needles are being used, so the irrigant can safely reach your apex. So we do not actually need to use these 6% tapers nowadays. I have stopped using these systems since the introduction of these 4% tapers. So if you have any further questions regarding this topic, I'll be glad to answer. You can write down in the comment section. And one more thing, if you have not pressed that bell icon in front of our subscribe button, do press that bell icon so that you get the notifications of our all recent videos whenever we upload them. Thank you. Cheers.